Hello everyone. Happy June 13th. Today we celebrate awareness, creativity, and delicious flavors. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting events are coming this month. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's International Albinism Awareness Day. A day to raise awareness about the challenges faced by people with albinism. A perfect gift could be educational resources, advocacy merchandise, or donations to support organizations promoting inclusivity. How can we support awareness? Let's discuss in the comments. Next, it's National Sewing Machine Day. A celebration of the art of sewing and craftsmanship. A thoughtful gift could be sewing kits, fabric bundles, or a beginner's sewing class. Have you ever tried sewing? Share in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Weed Your Garden Day. A reminder to care for your plants and garden. A great gift could be gardening tools, plant care books, or a subscription to a gardening club. What's your favorite plant to grow? Share in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for June 26th to 30th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone, more celebrations are coming tomorrow, stay awesome!